What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. It's your boy Jared Shoes, the driver of Black Soul on 4. Best friend Kevin is getting something. He's been waiting for this for over a year. I'm pretty excited. We're both excited about this. Kevin and I are going to pick up a car in Wellington. He's been waiting for this car for almost 10 months, or I'd say 10 months. Both of us are pretty excited. So I'm gonna show you guys what car he's got in a few clips.
So we're only about 3 minutes away to the dealership, so I'm excited. Be ready. It's a nice car.
Alright, so we are here, guys.
No way, bro. That's my car, bro.
Kevin just seen his car, but
I see it. It's right there. Look at that. Oh my God, that's mine. Woo! Here it is, a new car. This is my brand new 2023 Rapid Blue ZL1. I sold my SS, my 2017 SS, to get something like this, or to get this. I'm stoked. Waited 10 months for this car, and just wow.
you guys already knows about this. I'm just sad they didn't get a 6-speed. It's all good. He wants a 10-speed and it's faster. I get that.
So nice.
You could really tell that everything's brand new. It's going to be the first 2023 Rapid Blue ZL1 in the Bay Area. Obviously, ZL1 bumper just looks aggressive.
Moment of truth. Is it a real ZL1
You're
or
double
a fake
tapping.
one? Wow.
Okay, it definitely has a supercharger in there. Definitely a real ZL1. Congrats. We'll see if this car's faster than my car a bit.
It is. Trust me, it is.
All right, so the car is getting gassed up. And then I think we're gonna do the paperwork soon. After that, we're good to go. But right now, Kevin and I grab some food first. I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so Kevin, I know you're hungry. So we're pretty much finished with paperwork and all that. Chevrolet Rio Vista, they did a great job. If you guys are needing cars, make sure to hit up Miss Daisy.
Sloan Liddell.
Sloan Liddell. Okay, there you go.
Congratulations. This is an awesome day. We got the keys right here, folks.
Definitely. Okay, there you go. Thank you so much.
There it is.
We'll definitely be back soon for more cars. All right, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that one.
Okay.
Very first mod. Zone Instagram at. That's
So you
fine.
just get a little credit card and go over.
Yeah, figure it out later on. Whoa. Yeah, boy. There you go. Yes, sir. ZL1. Getting ready. Do I see myself, dude, driving? It just feels so. It's about the same thing as your other Camaro. Interior in this car is so nice. I mean, I love my BMW still though, but don't get me wrong. This one looks nice. Dude, this is going to be Kevin's first drive. Alright, so it is the first time that Kevin brought the brand new 2023 ZL1 at his own.
Yeah, I am.
I mean, you've been driving it for what? You already put like 200 miles something?
265.
265? Actually, it wasn't that bad. Oh, I guess it wasn't that far then. This is actually the first time Kevin's gonna let me drive his car. He never let me drive his. Actually, no, you let me drive the other car back then. You can put your face on it if you want to. Oh, can we go to your school?
Yeah. We kind of speed up a little bit. That's number one.
And downshift it right away.
Go to number 2.
You turn left later, right?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm happy for you.
Yeah, Man, no. Finally.
Finally. Jerry's Shoes is not just about like my M4. It's mainly M4, but we're also gonna be doing a lot of car stuff in there too. So you guys know Kevin's my best friend, so obviously the ZL1's gonna be part of it. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button down below. Subscribe if you guys are new. I'll see you guys in the next video. See you. God bless. Cool.